Hello, and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable calls on Messenger on your iPhone. If someone specific keeps calling you on Messenger, or you just want to completely disable all audio and video calls, I'll guide you through the steps to make this happen. First, let's start by disabling notifications for Messenger. This will prevent pop-ups and alerts for incoming calls. Open your iPhone Settings app, scroll down to find notifications, and then locate Messenger in the list. Tap on it and toggle off the notifications. This ensures that you won't get any notifications for incoming calls on Messenger, eliminating those distracting pop-ups and alerts. Next, we'll disable the microphone access for Messenger, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on Privacy and Security. In this section, select Microphone. Here, you will see a list of all the apps that have requested microphone access. Find Messenger and toggle off its access. By doing this, you prevent Messenger from using your microphone, effectively disabling audio calls. Similarly, we need to disable the camera access for Messenger to stop video calls. Again, go to Privacy and Security. In your settings, select Camera and find Messenger in the list. Toggle off its access to the camera. With both microphone and camera access disabled, Messenger will be unable to make or receive any audio or video calls. By following these steps, you've effectively disabled all call functionalities in Messenger. Disabling notifications, microphone, and camera access ensures that no alerts or rings for calls will occur. This comprehensive approach blocks Messenger from being able to disturb you with audio or video calls. These steps are straightforward and allow you to take control over how and when you're available for calls on Messenger. Whether you need a break from constant notifications or want to maintain privacy, these settings help you manage your experience effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable calls on Messenger on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.